Have you ever wondered how a Supreme Court decision could affect your taxes? Today we're diving into a recent Supreme Court judgment concerning Section 214D of the Income Tax Ordinance. In the heart of this case, we find MS Atta Cables, PVT, Limited, a taxpayer, and the Commissioner of Inland Revenue, representing the Tax Department. The crux of the dispute centers around Section 214D, a provision that triggers an automatic audit for taxpayers who fail to file their returns within the designated timeframe. The burning question was whether this section was applicable to MS Atta Cables, PVT Limited, who had filed for an extension of time within the deadline but received no response from the Commissioner. The implications of this case are far-reaching, impacting how and when this automatic audit provision can be applied. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve into the specifics of this case. The case in question had a series of twists and turns. Here's what happened. The story began when the taxpayer, MS Atta Cables, filed their income tax return on the last day of the deadline, January 21, 2016. On the same day, they also filed an application for an extension of time under Section 119, to which the Commissioner of Inland Revenue did not respond. The department, interpreting this as a green light, claimed that Section 214D was applicable, and the taxpayer should be automatically selected for audit. The taxpayer didn't take this lying down. They challenged the department's notices by taking their case to the Lahore High Court, where a single judge dismissed their petition. Undeterred, the taxpayer appealed to a division bench, which overturned the single judge's decision. The department didn't take this lightly and appealed to the Supreme Court of Pakistan. With the facts laid out and the arguments heard, the Supreme Court was ready to make its decision. The Supreme Court's decision in this case was a significant one. Here's what they decided and why it matters. The court dismissed the department's appeal, emphasizing the need for stringent application of Section 214D due to its severe implications. The crux of their reasoning was that for Section 214D to apply, the Commissioner of Inland Revenue had to decline the application for extension in writing. Simply ignoring or failing to respond to the application wouldn't make Section 214D applicable. The court's judgment clarified that until the extension application is disposed of by a written order, Section 214D couldn't be invoked. Now, why does this matter? Well, this ruling sets a precedent for future cases, underlining the importance of the Commissioner's written order in determining the applicability of Section 214D. It safeguards taxpayers from arbitrary application of the automatic audit provision. This decision marked a significant step in tax law, providing clarity and protection for taxpayers. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more insights on legal judgments and their implications.